Bonjour tout le monde. So hello everyone. I would like to introduce a new dialogue from the book Communication progressive du français. And I'm checking because here we go. So this, you know that I really like this book. It's a very nice one. I'll just move it a tiny bit like this. Voilà. And exprimer l'admiration, to express. Exprimer is express admiration. And this is the last dialogue from the book, and it's a small dialogue. There is nothing exceptional about it, but let me just move it a tiny bit because I'm gonna zoom in. Voilà. It is about a show, and we express some opinions. And so, à la sortie d'un spectacle. So, à la, you remember, to the, at the, but here it's like at the exit. So it's a location, a place, at the exit of the show. Un spectacle is a show in French. So we have Nadège, she's a girl, Bruno, he's a boy. Alors, qu'est-ce que tu as pensé du spectacle? Tu as aimé? So remember, qu'est-ce que is what? What did you think of the show? Did you like it? So literally is like, have you loved? Have you liked? So you see, we don't have it. So I need to make sense in English. Oh, ah oui, quel spectacle extraordinaire, c'était magnifique. Oh yes, what a extraordinary or fascinating show. It was magnificent. It was great. Oui, c'était splendide. Yes, it was splendid. It was fantastic. C'était remarquablement bien joué. It was remarkably well played. Tu ne trouves pas, don't you think? So you don't find. That is a literal translation. You don't find, it's like don't you think about, don't you think? So be careful, it's absolutely not literal. Oui, les acteurs sont excellents ou sont excellents. Actors are excellent. Quel talent, what a talent. They are so talented. Ils savent tout faire. They know, it's like they know all to do, which doesn't make any sense. So it's like they know how to do everything. Je ne sais pas comment ils font. I don't know how they do it, or how they do, because there is no it here. Ils dansent, ils chantent, ils jouent la comédie. So, ils dansent, they dance. Ils chantent, they sing. Ils jouent la comédie, they act. So it's like commedia dell'arte. They act, they know how to play, they know how to perform. So if you really want to do professional translation, you could say they know how to dance, to sing, and they know how to play or to act. Jouer is to play. Pourtant, however, ce ne sont pas des professionnels. So, ce ne sont pas des professionnels. They are not professionals. Comme toi, like you. I want to emphasize something here. Usually, when we have, let me just add it like this. When we use un, une, du, de la, de l'apostrophe des, it can be un, une, deux, if you want, deux, trois, quatre, number, plus the negative form. Usually, the negative form will be ne pas de. Except with c'est. Any kind of expression with c'est. C'est, ce sont, in the past, in the future, in the present tense. Okay? And we do have one here. Ce sont des professionnels. That will be like, ce sont des pros, if you want. Des pros. They are professionals. But I want to add the negative. So normally I should have like, ce ne sont pas de professionnels. But that's the exception. Okay, just remember this formula because we use it all the time. So let me read it again. So the track from the book is kind of fast, and I don't think this is a great way to learn. I mean, you can when you are comfortable with the dialogue. exprimer l'admiration à la sortie d'un spectacle. Alors, qu'est-ce que tu as pensé du spectacle? Tu as aimé? Ah oui, quel spectacle extraordinaire. C'était magnifique. Oui, c'était splendide. C'était remarquablement, be careful of this one, remember the QU is a K sound, not quo, but c'était remarquablement bien joué. Tu ne trouves pas? Oui, les acteurs sont excellents. Quel talent! Ils savent tout faire. Je ne sais pas comment ils font. Ils dansent, ils chantent, ils jouent la comédie. Pourtant, ce ne sont pas des professionnels. Comme toi. It's kind of rude to say something like this. Comme toi is like you. Yeah. Now, le vocabulaire, le spectacle, so the show. Un spectacle, so what kind of show? Un spectacle de danse, de théâtre, TH is a T sound. Une représentation d'une pièce de théâtre. So une représentation is like the show, basically. Une représentation is like the play, if you want. The play is une pièce de théâtre. So you don't need that, basically. But it's like a play of a play. So a representation of a play, basically. Les spectateurs, so that's the audience. Le public. Aller au théâtre, so remember, aller is always followed by the preposition a. So this a can become o, a l'apostrophe o with an x, depending on the noun after. Au concert, so those guys en masculine. Le concert, le théâtre. Au théâtre, au concert. Avoir une place au premier rang. To have a seat in the first row. But the French we say at the first row. Au cinquième rang, fifth row. Au dernier rang, last row. Avoir des places pour le spectacle de, so to have seats for the show of, and you give the name of the band, the name of the singer, or the name of the troupe, whatever. Un acteur de théâtre, de cinéma, joue un rôle, plays a role. Une troupe de théâtre, a theater troupe. Un metteur en scène is a director, but metteur en scène, it can be for the cinema, it can be for the theater, both. Une mise en scène, that's a setting. That's how you tell the actors to stand up, to move, to act. Classique, so it can also be a play, a classical play, like dramatique, like the Greek theater style. D'avant-garde, so it's the same word in English, avant-garde. Le public applaudit, the public applauds. Okay? Expression de l'opposition, so opposition, il n'est pas professionnel, he's not a professional. So ici, we don't have an article. Il n'est pas professionnel, mais il joue bien quand même. Pourtant, il joue bien. Okay. So he's not a professional, but he plays well nonetheless. The literal translation is like quand même is like when even, but yeah, that doesn't make any sense. So it's like, nonetheless. Pourtant, il joue bien. It's like, however, he plays well, or he acts well. Subjunctive, for many of my students, I try to delay this one because it's not an easy one. We use it a lot in French, so when I have more time, I will make a video. I'll try to summarize this video. Now, bien qu'il ne soit pas professionnel, il joue bien. Despite not being professional, he acts well. We'll get there, don't worry. Alors que, indicatif, so that means it can be a past, it can be a present, a future tense. Il joue bien alors qu'il n'est pas professionnel. It can also be despite, so he acts well. However, he's not a professional, despite not being a professional, because you also have a negative form. Malgré is like the literal translation for despite, plus a noun. So we have bien que plus a subjonctive, alors que plus un indicatif, malgré plus un noun. Il joue bien malgré son manque de professionnalisme. Manque is a noun. He plays well despite his lack of professionalism. Okay? C'est extraordinaire, it's extraordinary, c'est merveilleux, it's marvelous. So we have a pronoun before the noun, before the verb. je le trouve, je la trouve, je les trouve. So, masculine, féminine, plurion. Fantastique, fabuleux, splendide. In parentheses, we add the plurial form. So, I found him, her, or them, fantastic, fabulous, splendid. C'est génial, it's great. Il, elle joue très bien. He or she plays or acts very well. Il chante très bien. He sings very well. Il danse remarquablement bien. He dances remarkably well. Quel talent, what a talent, so talented. C'est du génie, it's genius. Quelle perfection, what a perfection, it's perfect. Okay. So, Bruno jouait dans le spectacle, c'est faux. Les artistes étaient des amateurs, c'est vrai, so amateurs. Hein. Complétez les phrases en exprimant l'opposition. So, what we can say, and we can stay simple. I told one of my students that forget about the subjunctive. We don't want to use the subjunctive because it's kind of, it's nasty. So, let's say, malgré, so despite, malgré le mauvais temps, because I'm dealing with a noun, not a verb, not a subject. Malgré le mauvais temps, you know, ils feront une promenade. It's slow. So, despite the bad weather, they will take a walk. Feront is will. Now, Sébastien ne parle pas allemand. Sébastien doesn't speak German. So, il habite en Allemagne. So, we have an indicative. We can say, bien qu'il habite en Allemagne. We can say that. So, bear with me because it's kind of slow. Bien qu'il habite en Allemagne. So it's like, despite living in Germany, Sébastien ne parle pas allemand. Sebastian doesn't speak German. Okay. J'ai écrit 3 fois. I have written, or I wrote 3 times. So, again, we have a passé composé, a past tense. Bertrand ne répond pas aux lettres. So, Bertrand doesn't answer the letters. Not mine necessarily, but any letters. So what we can do here, let me just check. Alors que, malgré, bien que, but we're gonna need the subjunctive. As I said, I don't want to use this one. We can say, Bertrand ne répond pas aux lettres. Bien que j'ai écrit 3 fois. Malgré avoir écrit 3 fois. You know, we can say something like this. Let me... Alors que j'ai écrit 3 fois. We can use this simple one. Alors que j'ai écrit 3 fois. Okay, so this... even though, if you want, despite having written 3 times, or, you know... However, I wrote 3 times if you want. So now, l'équipe a perdu le match. The team has lost the game. C'est une bonne équipe. We can use the same. Hein. L'équipe a perdu le match alors que c'est une bonne équipe. Malgré que ce soit une bonne équipe. So I'm not gonna go there, but we can say alors que c'est une bonne équipe. Hein, to say my dear. Le film n'est pas bon, so the movie is not good. So we have avec, so it complicates everything. We can say, bien que, I don't want to use a subjunctive. Malgré qu'il y a de grands acteurs. We can say that. Malgré qu'il y a de grands acteurs. Despite. It's like despite there is, or there are, big actors, or very good actors. So I dropped the avec because this one is problematic. Le spectacle est excellent. C'est une petite troupe inconnue, unknown small troupe. So, what can we say? Bien que ce soit. So I'll show you. Bien que ce soit une petite troupe inconnue. So soit is the subjunctive of to be. So subjunctive is not a real tense. This is what we call in French a mode. So it is not used for expressing an action in the past, the future, etc. It's more like it's a mode. So it comes after certain expressions. Now, compléter, we need the vocabulary. C'est une troupe de théâtre assez connue. It's a quite known theater troupe. Okay. J'ai deux places. So place here is a seat. For this circumstance is a seat, or two seats. Pour la, we can say, la représentation de demain soir. Okay, it's like the spectacle, the show of tomorrow night. Tu veux venir? Do you want to come? Les spectateurs. So, les spectateurs sont très contents du spectacle. So very happy about the show. Ils applaudissent. Remember, this verb belongs to the second group. So the endings will be is, I-S-I-T, I-double-S-E-N-T. No, I-double-S-O-N-S, I-double-S-E-Z, and I-double-S-E-N-T. So here we have the third form. So remember the verb finir, choisir, they belong to the second group. And so they have the ending is. So you drop the ir from the infinitive form. And you add with je, is, with tu, is, with il, elle, it, with nous, I-double-S-O-N-S, with vous, I-double-S-E-Z, and with il, elle, ployon, I-double-S-E-N-T. Okay? Louis Jouvet was an actor, était un très grand acteur de théâtre. If you're interested in this kind of performances, I will recommend to check on YouTube because he was very good indeed. Trying to pick up something from the floor. There we go. Acteur. Nous avons des places au 5e rang, so the row, 5th row. We have seats for the 5th row. We'll say 4 here. It's like at. Est-ce que tu aimes les pièces de théâtre? Les pièces... I don't think it's this one. Est-ce que tu aimes les pièces au théâtre, I guess. Est-ce que tu aimes les représentations au théâtre? We can say that. Ok. Représentation au théâtre. We wouldn't say les spectacles au théâtre because we would say more like les spectacles de théâtre, like theaters show. I don't really quite know what they want here. Est-ce que tu aimes les représentations au théâtre, les spectacles au théâtre? What else do they have? Yeah, I guess we could say mise en scène as well. It's like the setting. We can also say that, but it's kind of les mises en scène au théâtre. I'm just annoyed by the O. That's it. Mise en scène, so the setting, okay. Parmi les phrases suivantes, dites lesquelles expriment l'admiration. Among the following sentences, say which one express admiration. So, let me just select this one, cross mark. So, l'admiration, so quel talent, c'est génial, c'est merveilleux. Okay, well, let's translate the rest. Huh? So, quel ennui is like, what a boredom. Okay, sorry about that. So, quel ennui is like, what a boredom. And I guess I don't know where I am. Let me go back. Okay. They are like additional, dialogues at the end. It's more like different kinds of exercises. Okay. So, quel ennui is like, what a boredom. Quel talent is like, how talented, if you want. C'est génial, it's great. C'est nul, it's lame, it's bad. C'est merveilleux, it's marvelous. C'est raté, it's failed or it's missed. So it's like not a bad show. I mean, it's a bad show, basically. So that's it for today. And I hope you guys Have a wonderful weekend because it's currently vendredi 16 août. And I spent, let's say, 24 hours with no internet. I couldn't do a thing. And I had to cancel some classes. Not too many, fortunately. But I'm so glad to have the Wi-Fi back. And I can work normally again. Anyway. If you have any questions, if you want to know more about my classes, let me know. I'm preparing a lot of people to different exams in Canada, in Switzerland, and also the DELF. And also, if you want to review your French before starting high school, middle school, or even university, college, let me know because I have a lot of training on this level. Anyway, au revoir et à bientôt.